its mechanical breakdown begins with mastication. Mastication is partly voluntary and partly reflexive. We voluntarily put food in our mouths and contract the muscles that close our jaws. The pattern and rhythm of continued jaw movements are controlled mainly by stretch reflexes in response to pressure inputs from receptors in the cheeks, gums, and tongue. To send food on its way from the mouth, it's first compacted by the tongue into a bolus and then swallowed. Swallowing is a complicated process that involves coordinated activity of some 50 pairs of muscles and has two major phases, the buccal and the pharyngeal-esophageal. The buccal phase occurs in the mouth and is voluntary. In the buccal phase, we place the tip of the tongue against the hard palate and then contract the tongue to force the bolus into the oropharynx. As food enters the pharynx and stimulates tactile receptors, it passes out of our control and into involuntary reflex activity. Once food enters the pharynx, respiration is momentarily inhibited and all paths into the digestive tract are blocked off. The tongue blocks the mouth, the soft palate rises to close off the nasopharynx, the larynx rises so that the epiglottis covers its opening into the respiratory pathways, and the upper esophageal sphincter relaxes. Wave-like peristaltic contractions create pressure waves that propel food through the pharynx and into the esophagus. Just before the peristaltic wave reaches the esophagus, the gastroesophageal sphincter relaxes to allow food to enter the stomach.